شكرا خدمة باكستان.
شكرا لكم يا خدمة باكستان على اهتمامكم بالطفلة منال عبد الله جودة.
Thanks so much to Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters, from the heart of Palestine, specifically in Gaza Strip, and with 100,000 of orphaned children here in Gaza in this genocide. Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan sponsored many of the children Palestinian that lost their parents in this war. Today, Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan is visiting the children here to provide them with food parcel and carpets to give them a hope to continue their lives. Thanks so much to Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan and the donors of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan about their donations and efforts. Thank you so much.